Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, we're going to see about the EthStorage V1 setup ceremony. So it is basically a storage system that runs on zero-knowledge SNARK. It is the proof of storage and it mainly focuses on the data integrity. So the project raised $7 million, the valuation of 100 million. So it started yesterday and it will be run until August 22. So you need to complete the ceremony setup within that, but the ceremony setup itself take at least 2 days of contribution to finish the task. So it's better to act now. So whenever the video got released, just act fast and set up it. So this is all our community. If you haven't joined our Telegram channel, join there. Follow me on Twitter. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. So here are the links to buy VPS. So we're gonna run it on the VPS because it need to run in a fast-paced environment and you need to have a reliable internet connection. Without that, it will be run into a lot of errors. You don't want that because whenever you run into error while setting this setup ceremony, you need to wait for certain time and then you need to restart the circuit. So it is a hectic job. So buy a VPS. It is the good source and buy it from a good provider so you don't run into maintenance again and again or frequently. So the requirements are you need to have any one of these operating system. So if you are using a VPS, it will be mainly a Linux and be Ubuntu. So and then you need to have a GitHub account which is older than 1 month and you need to post a repo which is available in public mode. So you need to have at least one follower for your GitHub account and you have followed 5 accounts, that is any 5 projects or any 5 personal. So like that, and you need to have the read and write access for the GitHub gist. Okay, let's start the setup. So if you want, you can run through the script. So this is the script. So you can run for your validations. So let's start. Just copy and paste this command. So it will start automatically. It will only requires one interaction. I will say when it. So just wait until everything got installed and updated. It's a one-click script, so you don't need to do anything. Just wait until the script that will install all the required packages, the apps, the softwares, anything. It will be installed automatically. So it will require only one intervention. I'll let you know on the process go. So until this part, you don't need to click anything. See here, this is the GitHub login link. You can just click on it and log in through your browser, or you can also use the same link I gave here. You just need to copy this thing. Okay, just copy and you just need to click continue if you have previously logged in your GitHub account. So if you haven't logged in, it will ask for you to log in and then this page will be shown to you. Just paste the code here and click continue. See, it will ask for your gist read and write access. So just give it for now. So after give, you come here. So you need to complete this process within 15 minutes of the code has been generated. So after the successful authorization, it will show you your username and then the command to log out. So I made the script with this authorization. Here is the only step of interaction you need to do with the script. So you just need to type yes. If you type no, the script will end. So just type yes and it will open a screen and run the remaining codes. See here the CLI will ask for the preferred method of entropy selection, which is randomly or manually. The entropy selection is nothing but it is a way of contributing to the EthStorage. So it will randomly, in a sense, to generate a walkout proof that your machine will generate. So just choose randomly or manually. You can choose it by the arrow. So see, if you use the side arrow, it will choose it. The blue one is the selected one. So I'm going to choose the randomly method. So here, your circuit has been started and it is waiting for the queue. So I need to wait until some 1200 plus contributors. I'm behind of that. So see, it will take around like 7 days, 1 minute, 1 hour, and 25 minutes. just a estimation. It can be take sooner or later. See, within a second it change it to 5 days. So that's how it will be. So just make sure you run it without any interruption. So to exit the screen, I'm going to use Control A plus D. That's it. So if you want to return the screen, see, I already mentioned in the script itself, it will show. So it will be keep running. So that's it. So let's show the script. So this is the features of the script. If you want to me, I'll just add the manual version here too. So it won't be a problem for if you run any error in the auto script. So these are the screen commands. You can just go through it with the attachment, screen or resume. After the process has been completed, you can delete the screen. So if you want to know how many screens are running on your VPS, you can just run this. Okay, this is the script that has been running on my machine. Okay, so there is a deadline to your contribution, right? After your contribution has been finished, you need to log out and revoke the access of your GitHub. It is a good thing to revoke the access because your GitHub is your personal space. You can store your code, sometimes your access code, environmental files, and be anything. After your contribution, like in couple of days, you will have to reopen the screen. You will have to check the contribution has been successful or not. Then, if it is successful, and it will show like then you can share it in your social media like Twitter or Telegram. That's the sign of the successful contribution. So after that, you can just detach from your screen and then just clean and log out. And then you will have the folder, right? We created the folder. If you run ls, you will have the ceremony 8. You can also delete the folder. If you want, you can delete the folder or you can just keep it as it. So that's it. So if you haven't followed me on Twitter, you can follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. So that's it for today. I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, bye bye. Cheers.